The purpose of this video is to show you how to format your header and your title page in APA 7 for a student formatted paper in Microsoft Word. Let's go ahead and get started with the header. In order to correctly format the header, you want to come over here to Insert. You want to click on Page Number, Top of Page, Lane Number 3. That will put the page number on the right side in the header. No other information is required in APA 7. In APA 6, there were other bits of information that did go in the header, but that does not apply to APA 7. Also, do not manually type that in. By manually type that in, I mean do not come over here to the right side and push the number 1. The reason why is because if you go down to the next page, you can see that by using the insert function, it will automatically update the page number for you. Whereas if you manually type it in, every single page in your document will have the number 1 in the top corner. Now let's transition to doing the title page. Before we get started on doing the title page, it's important that we set the spacing to the correct format. There are several ways to do this, but I'm going to show you one. If we come up here to paragraph, you can click right here. That will open the paragraph dialog box. We want to make sure that we do not add space between paragraphs of the same style, and then we set everything to double space. Hit OK, and that should apply it to the entire document. We want to jump down to something like the 2.5 or 3 inch mark over here on the ruler. You can see it on that side right there. By the way, if you cannot see the ruler, you can go to View, and then right there, that's Ruler. Check this box right here, and it will automatically apply. Over here on the Home tab, we want to make sure that everything is centered. Now we want to make sure it's in bold. And then we want to type our title. Once we have our title, we do not need bold again, but let's go ahead and skip down 2 lines, 1, 2, and then turn bold off. Now we want to put our name. We want to put the department that assigned this particular assignment, along with the college. We want to make sure that we have the course name. That's the full name. Make sure that you have the full name there. Make sure that you have your instructor. And then make sure that you have the date. That is the complete title page in APA 7 for a student formatted essay. Once you have all of these characteristics, you have the header and the title page correctly formatted.